Hello, I'm Scott Douglas with MarineMax of Wrightsville Beach, and today we are on the incredible Boston Whaler 22 Dauntless. Take a look aft here, you'll notice the white 200 Mercury Verado. You got great jump seats that actually fold down and get out of your way when not in use. Freshwater sprayer back here. You also have rod holders all across the back. Moving up a little bit, we have the deluxe helm seat with live well built in underneath. Flip up bolsters. It's a great seat for this boat. Also have the Simrad unit, which is a GPS fish finder combo unit. JL Audio Fusion stereo, Simrad VHF radio, charging station for your phone. Obviously trim tabs on this boat. Nice fiberglass hardtop. You do have a head built in under the console here. But moving forward is a great part of this boat. It's got a lounge seat right in front of the console with amazing storage underneath. Also have a bow seating area. We did equip this boat with the bow table option and the trolling motor panel. If you'd like to see this boat in person, my name is Scott Douglas. We can be reached at 910-256-8100.